Good morning, class. I am John Eliezer. Today we'll be going through the basics of a computer. By definition, a computer is an electronic machine that accepts, stores, and processes information. We have many types of computers. Among the available options are supercomputers, which are used in the processes of very large amounts of information, which include satellite images and navigation, information to predict hurricanes, weather prediction, military processes, etc. We also have the mainframes computers that are used by the government and businesses to process very large amounts of information. Equally, we have the mini computers, which are similar to mainframes. They are used by businesses and governments to process large amounts of information. The fourth type, which we'll be paying more attention to today, are the personal computers, also known as PC. Personal computers are smaller and less powerful than the others. They are used in homes, schools, small businesses, hospitals, etc. We have three main types of personal computers. We have the desktop, we have the portable, which includes the notebook, laptop, and other things, and we have the handheld PCs, generally known as smartphones. For instance, smartphone is an example of an handheld personal computer. We have two basic parts of a computer. These are the components that make up a computer. We have the hardware, we have the software. Hardware essentially is anything that can be touched. They include the computer case, the monitor, the central processing unit, the keyboard and mouse, hard drive, disk drive, memory, speakers, and printers, among others. There are three types of an hardware. They are generally categorized into three, which are the input devices, output devices, and storage devices. Simply put, input devices generally means the parts of computers that can be used to feed information into the computer. They include the keyboard, the mouse, trackball, touchpad, light pen, laser scanner, touch screen, barcode reader, joystick, microphone, among others. Output devices, as the name implies, are the things that get information or data out of the computer: the monitor, the speaker, the printer, headphones, modem, fax, etc. Storage devices being the third categorization. From the name storage, they are the devices used to store information to keep it safe after being processed. It is a combination of both input and output devices, and they include the hard disk, floppy disk, CDs, DVDs, magnetic tape, flash memory, jump drive, etc. Now, going back to the categorizations of parts of a computer, I earlier mentioned the hardware. The second one is the software. Software is the programs and applications that tell the computer what to do. Computer programmers write the codes or instructions that make up software applications or programs. HTML is a popular type of computer programming language that allows programmers to make web pages, such as the web pages we see on Google and every other search machines. The next two slides will tell us more about HTML and what it is being used for, among many others. We have two types of software. We have the application software and the operating system software. The operating system software directs all activities and sets all the rules for how the hardware and software will work together. The examples include the Linux, the Mac system, the Windows, Vista, Unix, among many others. Operating systems GUI. GUI simply means graphical user interface. This uses photos to represent files, folders, disk drives, modems, printers, etc. And similarly, we have the application software. These are the programs that work with operating system software to help the computer to do specific types of work. There are 6 basic types of application software, and these are the business software, communication software, graphics software, education and reference software, integrated software. Among the types of available software are these you can see on your screen: Jumpstart Kindergarten, Quicken 2000, Office XP, Star Wars Park, etc. In our next class, we will be going through other available topics on a computer. Thank you for listening.